Molly. Hello, little love. Oh, the morning tumbles. Are you hungry? You want some breakfast? Okay. All right. Come here, Molly cat. You're so excited. Okay. Let me move all of these. Okay, hold on. That's not really what I was saying. There you go. Okay. Good girl.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today is your birthday, and welcome to, shut up, Cotter. Welcome to Vlogmas day 10, I think. Are we in double digits? Double digis? Oh yeah, double digits it is. Also ignore this. Literally my main goal for the day is just to get this zit to go away. So we are going to be applying a multitude of treatments to it to try to get it gone by tomorrow. That's my goal. Anyway, I woke up sort of craving a matcha this morning, so that's what we are going to make. No, pause off the keyboard. No. Stop it. You can't just sit there, Molly. How am I supposed to get anything done? Man, you guys, I am on edge today, and I've been dealing with this since 9:30 in the morning. They're just letting their dog fuck around constantly. I keep banging on the ceiling. No one is doing anything about it. It has had me on edge all day, guys. I can't even tell you. Luckily, Molly cat's right here. Now you can see the top of her little head. Right? This is why we're a cat household. Yeah, because dogs are noisy. That's right. You make everything better. Oh man, it has been a long start to the day. And the to-do list is not moving quite as quickly as we would usually like. Let's see. I have to send a couple follow-up emails, so that's what I'm going to work on right now before we get to lunch. And after lunch, we have some editing to take care of. I want to get a little ahead on this vlog. We should be in okay shape for the weekend. I'm so happy it's Friday. It's been a long and stressful week, you guys. Feeling very tired. Somebody save me. Okay, just making a quick little lunch here using some leftovers from yesterday. That way it's just really easy. So I'm gonna use that salmon and rice, and then I'm just frying up some mushrooms here. I honestly don't have that much produce left right now, so just working with what we got. Throw this salmon right into this pan with the mushroom, might as well. Throw a little soy sauce in there just to flavor it all up together. You know what I think I'm gonna mix in is a little bit of gochujang. That was more than I meant. Looking pretty good here, I think. I'm excited for this. And just like that, lunch is complete and looking so yummy.
There she is.
Free! Oh, it's so dark. I'm free.
Freedom! How to be, baby.
Oh, not too late. It's only 5:30. Not so bad.
Well done.
Thank you.
Well done, baby. Happy weekend.
Oh, happy weekend. Here we go. Let's get these Christmas lights on. Excuse me. Excuse me. There we go. What are you doing? Huh? My little nuggie. Look at how long she is. She's such a long girl.
You tall?
You're so long. Oh, you're a big tall girl. You're as tall as mom. Yeah. Let's see how tall you're getting. Look, Molly cat, you're almost up to my waist. You're so tall. My tall girl. Friday is officially here and I could not be more happy. Oh my gosh. Even though Vlogmas continues through the weekend, at least I'm not working on other stuff, so it's more low-key for sure. And made some good progress on the Vlogmas that you are currently watching, so shouldn't be too big of a mission tomorrow, which is really nice.
That's not very much.
That's all we have.
Yeah. Is this enough for the two of us?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. Maybe one. I could do a coffee. Yeah, you should have hot chocolate.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. So, I have not even told you guys what we're doing yet.
Yeah.
Connor and I decided that it would be a fun little Friday evening activity before we sit our butts on the couch for the rest of the night, which is fully the plan. We are doing nothing. We'll see. I was gonna say I want to stay up late, which I do want to stay up late, but whether my body allows me to stay up late, we're gonna find out. But I wouldn't mind staying up a little late tonight. Anyway, have I even gotten to my point yet? Connor and I are gonna go for a walk around our neighborhood and hopefully see some Christmas lights. I'm really hoping that some houses are decorated with lights. Houses were like decorated for Halloween and other holidays too, so I'm hoping for Christmas, which is certainly like the most popular holiday to decorate for, I think. Hopefully it all comes together. What we were gonna do is both bring spiked hot chocolates, but clearly there's only enough hot chocolate for one, so Connor will bring an Irish coffee. And by the way, how many ounces? I think this is only 8 ounces, baby. So this thing is definitely gonna overflow.
Oh no, no.
It's okay, we're just gonna have to do a really quick switch.
Are you sure it's only 8 ounces?
I'm pretty positive, because I know that's only 8 ounces and it held the exact same amount. No hot cocoa for my hot cocoa? It's so wrong.
Pretty sad about it too.
What? I'm sorry. I wish we had more. Should have planned ahead.
No, that's all good.
Better get ready to make the switch. You better get ready, baby. It's not gonna stop. Oh, no, it's going. It's going. But now there's no room to spike it.
Oh yeah, no, we're gonna have to sip it. That.
Yeah. Come here. Yeah, those are my knees cracking. Alarming. Good girl. Molly, this is why I wish that you were better on your leash, because then you could come on the walk with us. Wouldn't that be so fun? But you hate being on your leash and you hate leaving the house, turns out. Okay, it's fine, it's just Connor. You should be used to this by now. Now I'm just gonna pour the whole rest of it in there. Yummy. Plus we've been having really like chilly evenings, so that will be really fun too. Like I'm gonna put a coat on and it'll feel like a little taste of winter with the Christmas lights, hopefully. If they even exist out there, I have no idea. It's called fashion, sweetie. Look it up. Love it. Okay, we found a house with lights. Look at how pretty.
This house is gorgeous. This is one of my favorite houses.
I know, I love this one. Is that creepy to film people's houses? It's just the lights, I like them. Another one. This is so weird, you guys, I don't know. We've got a good one coming up in the distance.
What you guys just missed was catching it in the distance going, oh, spotted, and immediately just
turning.
Walking to that direction.
We have to check it out. That's what we're here for.
Of course.
Guys, look at how pretty. They have lights going all the way up their palm tree and all the way around their entire house going that way. So pretty, and there's more.
The LA Christmas tree.
More, yes, literally. How is your spiked coffee,
Yeah,
Irish
not
coffee?
Too bad. I like it.
Not too bad?
I should have mixed in a little milk, but I didn't have enough room to do that.
Yeah, that's tough.
How's yours?
It's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm not sure if all the vodka's just sitting at the bottom though, and that's why it tastes good, so. TBD, oh sorry, very out of focus, but it's just dark, so. Sorry. We have some really pretty ones. Oh, I love all those white lights on that house. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Going all the way down and up the back there. I love this. This is a really pretty home too. I love this one too, just really simple, wreaths in all the windows. It's really pretty. All right, we found a good grand finale for our walk.
Right here, right above.
That's right. It's these cute little lights. No, it's this monster. Oh yeah, this is a time. We have all the blow-ups. Lights everywhere. Is that music coming from the house?
No, it's coming from up here. They're partying.
Oh, I love it. Party away, my friends. What a time.
Right?
Let's cross the
Look
street.
at it.
have a little look-see. Happy holidays.
Awesome.
How pretty is this?
On this side too?
Awesome. Yes. Oh, I'm so pretty.
Holy
It's a big snow globe.
Imagine being a kid and like coming back and listening to what your home looks like.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Hi, baby. Back to, dare I say, the best decorated place that we've seen today. Back home now. Thought we would do a zit update because we have been working on this guy all day and he's looking better, I think. Definitely better than this morning. I'm gonna let him just breathe for the rest of the night, I think. Maybe just do a little bit of the salicylic acid. Get a little something on there. And then we'll definitely put some Mario Badescu on overnight again. And hopefully it's gone or very close to gone by tomorrow, because that is the goal. That was such a lovely walk though.
It really was.
I love our neighborhood. Connor and I always like going for walks around our neighborhood and just imagining what it would be like to own a home here. We obviously really want to. We love our neighborhood, like legit, we would buy a house here.
Oh, raise a family, all that.
Yeah, like it's amazing. We just absolutely love it. We love the area that we live in. And even if it didn't go as far as like raising a family here, we would love to like own a home here that we could come to whenever we want with our family and stuff like that. But honestly, we can't afford it. Every time that we have looked, it's just absolutely ridiculous. I mean, LA real estate in general / real estate in general right now is really horrible. So we don't really stand a chance in general right now anyway. But especially in this area, I mean, it's just pretty amazing. So it would be hard. And like with sort of our timeline of when we would want to buy a house, which is not that far off, like 2-ish years max, hopefully. I mean, we'll see what happens, but that's sort of the idea. Probably not in the cards for us, which is very sad. But who knows? Maybe one of us hits it big, or maybe we happen to find a place that's amazing that we can afford. So yeah, that's sort of the deal.
That's the dealio, y'all.
Yeah.
But don't worry, we're gonna hit it big.
We are gonna hit it big and we will own a home right here in Santa Monica, right where we want to, right?
Exactly. Delusional living. That's, you know, I think also part of it, some people want to own a home at this age.
That's very true.
Want to prioritize living in different areas.
Yeah, totally, which I think is important to us.
Yeah.
And also, like, I mean, as I've said 10 million times in so many different videos and so many different situations that I'm talking about it, we are really not in any rush to like grow up or like, you know, move to the next stage of our life. We're really happy with where we're at right now, so that definitely is a factor too. But yeah, if I could afford like a home that I really love here in this neighborhood, I would definitely be down. Anyway, that's my rant. Hope you enjoyed it. And now I think Connor and I are actually going to play a round of Mario Party. All right, here we go, a Mario Party. It's been too long. Daisy is dominating right now, everyone. Thank you. Just got my 2nd star. Everyone else has 0.
I think
Zilch.
you have a 2-game lead in mini games too.
Yeah, what can I say? A star, baby.
But we're halfway there.
We are. Well, you guys, I ended up losing Mario Party. It was a tough go of it at the end there.
That's some bad Mario Party luck.
I know. But actually, that spiked hot chocolate got me a little tipsy, so not feeling too bad. Anyway, I'm going to make some dinner now. We're just doing like whatever easy stuff at home, so I'm just going to make some macaroni and cheese. We are back with my favorite mac and cheese, you guys. The white cheddar shells from Trader Joe's. They are so good. Pasta bene. Okay, how amazing is this looking? I am so excited. Also, sorry for the spooky background music. Connor's playing a video game. Guys, I am dying. This looks so good. And I am so hungry. This is delicious. I'm letting Connor finish his game, so I am in bed with my mac and cheese and watching Love Island. Life is not too bad though. Ideal Friday.
So I'm